just going to take the paper off. Oh, fun. Okay, I can vibe with that. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are brand new here. In today's video, we're going to be doing a Loungefly mystery box unboxing. I'm really excited to make this video. This is my first ever mystery box that I've brought, like, ever, and so I'm really excited that it's a Loungefly one. I got this from a website called Double Boxed Toys. They sell like pop vinyls and Loungefly bags and wallets and purses and all that stuff. I've seen them do a few mystery boxes before, but I'd never had like the confidence to buy one until now. I thought, let's just go for it. So the box that I got was this one. I'll pop it on screen, and there were so many options in this box of stuff that you can get, and most of it sounded pretty good to me, so I'm hoping I get something that I do want. I'm really nervous. So the box was £49.50, and normally Loungefly bags sell for about like £80 in the UK, so I mean, I feel like I'm getting a good deal regardless, but I am really super nervous of which one I'm gonna get. This will be my first Loungefly bag. Let's get into the unboxing. This is what I received in the post today, so we're gonna open it up. I've already untaped it all so we can just go straight in. Oh god, I'm really nervous. There's paper on top there. Oh my gosh, I'm really scared. I'm just gonna take the paper off. It's off. Oh, fun. Okay, I can vibe with that. Let's just get all the paper out first. Let's get the paper out. Oh my god, okay, so I can low-key vibe with this, you know? I won't lie, I am a little bit sad that it's not a Disney bag. So the one I got was this Batman one, which I'm more of a Marvel person, if I do say so myself, but Batman is probably my favourite DC hero. Considering they're classed as mini backpacks, this is like really big. It's like, this is quite cute. Like, I won't lie. And on the front it has the DC Loungefly little enamel there, which I really like, and all of the Batman symbols are embroidered. I'm actually impressed. Like, okay, it's not my first choice, and I would have low-key liked a Disney bag. I would actually use this. If I ever went back to Islands of Adventure in Orlando, I would definitely take this bag because I feel like this would really fit in, because obviously it's got all the heroes there. Like, when I first opened it, I was a bit like, oh god, like, not sure about this one. But now I'm looking at it, I actually really like it. This is the inside, look at that. It's got comic book text on the inside. That's actually really cool. So that was me unboxing my first ever Loungefly mystery box. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did and you want to see me do more videos like this, then give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below, and make sure you subscribe to see more videos like this in the future. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.